Hey there, this is Matt working on my 800S, and I got to the end, put it all back together, and it would not start. But I'm thinking it's pretty easy. When I turn the ignition, you'll see the key comes on, no problem. But the telltale sign of this is when I push my brake light, it doesn't go on. See, I know you can't see the back of my thing, but you can see the reflection. So I'm pretty sure what it is the brake sensor. Which this is safety that you have to have the brake down to start it. I've got the driver's seat off, and right underneath the driver's seat is the brake sensor here. Hope you can see it. I'm gonna pull that off. I already cleaned it up a little bit. I'm gonna put it back on. Just two little pulls. Clip goes back on. See, brake lights now. Let's see if it starts. Starts right up. Hope yours is this easy.